Not many people know what to look for. Don't let these coins slip by because you could have something worth a lot of money. Just like this coin that sold for $19,200. And in this video, I'll tell you exactly what you need to be looking for to make sure you don't pass one up. The last thing I want to happen to you guys is for you to bring a coin like this to a pawn shop and they offer you $100. Now, sure, $100 for a penny is a ton of money over its face value of 1 cent, but the reality is some of these coins can be worth a ton of money. So enough rambling. Why did this coin that graded by PCGS at a Mint State 61 sell for $19,200? First of all, we need to know that 70 is the highest achievable grade for these coins. So if you find a coin like this, please keep it very safe because the smallest nick and gash will decrease the value hundreds or thousands of dollars. So the first thing you probably see on this coin is the fact that the color is different. Now, this can be normal if the air oxidizes with the coin and changes the color due to environmental conditions. That's not the case here. This coin was accidentally struck on a Philippine Centimo planchet. It is aluminum and it's a uniface coin. That means one face. If you look at the front of the coin, you can see it's there, but the back of the coin is completely blank. Weighing your coin with a scale can also tell you there's something wrong with the coin. Just understand that if your coin is severely damaged by nature, it will have less material on it, causing it to be a lesser weight. If you find a coin like this, you've hit the jackpot because $19,200 this coin sold for. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.